Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I actually received the YouTube play button for reaching 100k subscriber right here on this channel, and this is actually not going to be possible if not for you guys. So I want to sincerely appreciate you guys for always watching my videos, for subscribing to this channel, because without you guys this will not be possible. Because I've had a lot of you guys always saying that, Martins, like, you need to get up to 100k subscriber because of the value that you always drop right here on YouTube. And today is possible right now because we now have this YouTube play button. So in this video I'll actually go ahead and unbox this stuff for you guys and show you guys, because I think they say that it has a new look right now, so we're gonna find out. And also there is something else I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but that's going to be towards the end of this video. So make sure you stay to the end of these videos to know what I want to talk about. Okay, so guys, let me quickly go ahead and unbox this stuff right here with you guys. Okay, so okay, let me just quickly open this. Man, I'm so happy to have this, and if you're also happy for me, do well to let me know in the comment section right now. And like, this actually shows that you can literally start anything that you want to do today and be able to achieve massive success for yourself. Because I remember when I actually started this YouTube channel. Okay, now one of the major reasons why I started this YouTube channel was like, that time I was doing freelancing, making money on legit, and I normally have some of my friends or people that were living in our street then, they always asking me what am I doing indoors, how am I making money and all that, to be able to, like, afford some certain things that they are not able to afford. And I always tell them, like, I make money from a platform called Legit. I'm a freelancer. I do website design. I do content writing. But majority of them, like, always say, like, it's a lie. Maybe this guy is doing, like, scam or all those kind of stuff. So one day I just decided to, like, okay, let me actually try and be posting what I'm doing on YouTube, so that once somebody asks me what am I doing to make money online, I will just send them the link to my YouTube channel so they can go ahead and see the platform I'm talking about, what I'm doing to make money on that platform. So that was actually how this YouTube channel was born. Okay, so by giving out that value, I started noticing that a lot of people are interested in that particular video that I'm creating, and that's how we're able to get here today. Okay, so like, it's crazy guys, because I never, like, really expected this to happen, but today we have it right here. So it says, presented to Martin Iyooh for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so I think this one is, like, kind of small. Maybe that's the new look they are talking about right now. You can see that this is small. This is how it looks. No big deal. All right, so they actually gave us a letter right here. So they said, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000 subscriber? Actually, I remember those guys then, because those guys were consistent. They're always telling me to, like, try and make more videos. They're always telling me the videos they want me to make, and I always go ahead to make those videos for them. Okay, so let's quickly run through this letter right now, okay, before I share with you guys what I want to tell you. So right here it says that, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I do. Your 100th or your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend. I know some of you guys used to share my video. Thank you so much for doing that. Or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. Like, we have an amazing community, even right there on our Telegram channel, where I always drop some of the things I'm not dropping right here on YouTube. Like, we'll do giveaways there. I like giving back to my community, and I like doing a lot of things down there on that Telegram channel. So you can also use the link in the description of this video to join that Telegram channel, to be part of this community that I'm building right here online. Okay, so we are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. So this is it right here. Now, we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, of course, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Okay, so guys, that's it about the YouTube play button and every other stuff that we have right here in this box. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. So that's actually what we have right here. Now, You know what I want to tell you guys right now that I said I'm going to share with you guys toward the end of this video is that this 2025 and beyond, like, I'm going to be revealing a lot of secrets that you guys will actually use to start making money online, like I always do. Okay, so if you are actually among the first people that signed up on this particular channel, you know what I'm talking about, where I'm talking about legit, showing you guys all the stuff that I'm doing that is making money right now, and I'm still making money right there on that platform till today. But I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I do online to make money online. I'm gonna be holding you guys hand, walking you step by step, showing you how I make money with e-commerce, how I make money with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, how I make money with freelancing, and also how I make money right here on this YouTube platform. In fact, I think the first video I should do might be about how you can be able to get your first 1,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. If you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section. Remember, I have passed through those problems or hurdles that you might be having right now. So if I have a lot of people that ask me to make that video for them, I will sincerely make that video for you guys, show you guys everything I did to be able to get to 1,000 subscribers very quickly. Okay, I have screenshots, I have so many things because it was a crazy journey back then. Okay, so guys, that's basically it right here in this particular video, and we have this and we hope to get to 1,000,000 subscribers very soon. And if you guys want me to like get to 1,000,000 subscribers and you love my content, you can do it. Also let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also click the bell notification icon. Thank you guys for making this a reality, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.